I'ma kick it off like this. I ain't come for a hug, head straight for a kiss. Don't come for my face, cause I'm talking mama. I'ma need all of my kisses down there. One hand on my neck, one pulling on my hair. Hold up, I'ma tell you everything I want from you. But if it's real, then you know what you're supposed to do. But it's cool, cause I like to be the king. I control that dick like a puppet. 5 minutes in and he begging me to stop it. Ooh, all that shit he was talking, cool. How many licks did it take? 2. Now this a bad, bad motherfucker. A real hot girl, so these niggas can't touch her. I put them in the cuffs when we playing undercover, then I shove them in the bed.
I ain't gonna say nothing, but it's on me heavy. I promise it's getting ridiculous after this drop. Do not jump to no conclusions. I don't need these folks in my mentions. No one to.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Dial. Let's get into this vlog. What's up, y'all? It's April 29th. As y'all can see, I just did my makeup. It's so pretty, y'all. I did my hair too. Do y'all like it? I was gonna record the process, but baby, it was a process, so I was like, forget it. If y'all want a hair tutorial on this, maybe I'll do it over again. I'm thinking next time I might pin it up in a like messy little bun. But anyway, y'all, I'm getting ready because today is date night. Me and my mom is going out to Ruth Chris to eat, y'all. I've been craving Ruth Chris for the longest, so we need to pick me out a cute fit. All right, so I'm thinking about this black bodysuit with these like plaid checker pants. Yeah, I took my shower and stuff already, so I'm thinking this with silver jewelry. I already got my silver hoops in, and I'm thinking this Kurt Geiger bag. Now I'm debating if I'm gonna wear heels or if I'm gonna wear like sandals, flats. I think I'm gonna bring my flats just in case. I got some heels somewhere under here. Let me see. I don't know. They might be upstairs. Where's my heels? I gotta go find them. I got some black heels. So yeah, I'm gonna get dressed. Then I'm gonna come back because I need to go find my heels. I need to find my necklace and the rest of my jewelry. I'm gonna come back when I'm dressed. All right, y'all. So I'm dressed. I'm gonna give y'all a little outfit check right quick. So, let's see how I'm gonna do this. So, turn this light off. But I got bodysuit on from Shein. These pants are Shein. I do have a Shein haul on this outfit, and this outfit is also linked in my like to know. So I'll leave the link below. I'm wearing all my accessories from Shein. Ring, my mom gave me this ring a while ago, so I'm wearing this black and white ring. Then the shoes I got on, these will be linked below in my Amazon storefront. This is the look. I'm gonna catch y'all later.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the tea on me, I swear they nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, he can't control me. Uno, dope traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too
Look, mama got the Patron, y'all. Hold on. Look, had to get the last shot. Y'all gotta be up close and personal. Cheers. Oh, went to Ruth Chris. It was nice. Mommy daughter date. My chicken wasn't stuffing like it normally be stuffing. So he gave me like a side of stuffing to go. He said most people ask for stuffing on the side. Extra stuffing. Much as you pay up in there, ain't no way we should be asking for extra stuffing. You get what I'm saying? Hey y'all, what's up? It's the next day. Guys, I am tired. I had fun last night. I was out hanging, y'all, living my best life. But y'all, I have a serious problem sleeping. Like, I feel like I got a sleeping disorder. I cannot sleep to save my life. I'm forever tired. I be wanting to cry myself to sleep, and eyes be heavy. I feel like it be like 2 sticks trying to keep my eyelids open, but I can't go to sleep. I take sleeping, like over the counter sleeping medicine sometimes to help me go to sleep, and that doesn't always work. Right now I'm just warming up leftovers from Ruth Chris last night. But y'all, I am so tired. I just got done recording this Temu video. So yeah, I need to clean up my area because it looks a mess. And I'm gonna try to get me some sleep. But like I said, it's extremely hard. Oh, and this light's so bright. Oh my God. I gotta get on my mommy duties. I gotta make her lunch, get her ready for school tomorrow.
Baby mama of mine, I'm tired. The things that you're putting me through, I pay my child support on time.
They so stupid. The Temptations, they did a voiceover. Hey y'all, it is May the 3rd, so it's been a while since I've been back on the camera. Of course, it doesn't seem that way with you guys because it would seem like you seen me yesterday. It's May 3rd and I am laying down. I've been laying here for a couple of hours trying to get some sleep, but y'all, I really have a problem sleeping. I wish it was easy, but it's not. It's not really easy for me to get any rest. I'm just up and I'm tired as hell, but my body just won't shut down. And now I feel like it's too late for me to get any rest because I need to get my day started. My daughter have a eye appointment, so I gotta get her out of school early and take her to that. And then I'm waiting on my Shein package to come, y'all. I got 2 packages coming. I got one coming today and one coming probably next week sometime. And then I am like done with Shein for a while. Y'all, it is so cold here. I feel like fall here. It's been really cold here. I'm just ready for the weather to break so I can wear some sandals and wear these little cute pants outfits before it get too hot. I don't know what's going on with the weather, you know? Hi, Vloggy. So I'm just not leaving my daughter eye doctor appointment, so that went well. I'm not used to this little square being on my eye, y'all, but it went well. I'm about to head to Kroger and get me some wine.
All that stuff in.
Okay, this is the wine I came to get. It's mango, peach, and I got a strawberry one. Oh, not me acting brand new, y'all. Let it focus. So I'm on my Canon G7X. I ran out of memory. I need to get a memory card, but y'all, I'm like, how the hell you record on this? That's the beauty of having 2 different cameras, okay? But y'all, look, this was my first vlogging camera. Can y'all see that? Do y'all remember the Kodak camera? It was a commercial a long time ago. I'm gonna try to play it if I can find it. I know Rihanna had one, Drake had one. I can't remember if this was Rihanna or Drake camera because I think everybody had a color. So yeah, everybody had a color. So yeah, I used to vlog back in the day, y'all, in the early 2000s. I had more videos on my YouTube channel, but back in the day, I felt like I wasn't as confident in my work, and I wish I would have continued on, and I feel like I would be much further than I am now if I would have just kept pushing. So I ended up deleting some of my videos, but I do have like some of my old videos on here. I used to do like hair videos. I used to do outfit of the day. I always been into fashion. That was like always my passion. So I got like some old videos on that. But anyway, y'all, I went to the grocery store. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I'm so tired. I think I showed y'all the wine. So I got the A-Bridge Moscato. I got mango Moscato, strawberry Moscato, and peach. My daughter picked out some peanut butter Captain Crunch. I think I'm about to have me a bowl now because I'm hungry. Y'all haven't made homemade coffee in a while, so I got this caramel vanilla creamer. And then they had the Starbucks coffee on sale in the light. So I just got the light because you get more. So I got vanilla. I got sour cream because I'm going to make some, I'm going to make like a nacho pie. So I got that. And that's it, y'all. That's all I picked up. So I'm still waiting on my Shein package. Oh, can y'all see me? Yeah, I'm still waiting on my Shein package. So once that comes, I'll open it up with y'all. And then we'll be ending this vlog, y'all. So I can post. Tell me why I ended up deleting my footage, which was the ending of the vlog. So I'm back. I had unboxed my Shein outfit yesterday. I guess I'll show y'all right quick since I ended up deleting the footage. Okay, y'all, this is what I got from Shein yesterday that I was going to unbox with y'all. So I got this little one-piece swimsuit. It does have the breast cover in there. So I got nude because I feel like nude is such a pretty color. And it ties in the back. I thought this was real cute. So it ties right here and it ties up top. So yeah, I got a swimsuit from Shein. And then I got this cute ruffle nude cover up. So freaking cute. Then I got some earrings. Hold on. So I got these pretty earrings. These are so freaking cute. I can't wait to wear these. I ordered an outfit for these, so I'm waiting on that. These are so cute. This is definitely a cute statement piece. I love these. These are silver. I got these to go with this dress. I'm going to end the vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.